What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Season greetings, guys. Hope you all doing well. It's been a minute since I did a video. Consistency isn't my thing, I guess. Shit, let's call it what it is. I apologize for the wind and the noise in the background. I'm gonna try to be as loud as I can. So I'm just showcasing this car real quick. This is gonna be the new grows together in the family. That's right. This is gonna be the new grows together, guys. But that's not why we're here today. Boom. Let's go to the G. That's why y'all watch the channel, right? So in this video today, we're gonna be installing some interior lights. It's the Govee brand. Let's go to the trunk real quick, show you what it is. So it's the Govee LED lights. Here it is. There's the box it comes in. Come on, let's get a focus here. Well, I guess we can't. But yeah, it comes with an app and everything that you can use. It also has buttons here for manual function. And you basically put these in the, I want to say the footwell or the feet well inside the car. It's a real simple install. You plug it into the cigarette lighter and it, transforms the interior of the car. I finally got the lights ran. It's complete. It's daytime now, but I'm just trying to finish up this video for you guys. So the lines have been ran and I basically just put them up under here, under the footwell here, right up under here. You can see a piece of it right there. And I just tuck the lines along the side here, going up into the center console right here. It's a pretty simple install and it comes with 3M tape. So all I did was take the 3M tape off, stick it here. It did over my side, under here. You can see, there it is. And then of course the same thing for the back. Now at the back, I stuck them on the mats on the floor because no one really sits around there apart from my son, and his feet doesn't really reach under the chair. So I stick them on the ground, but you can put it how you want it. And I just basically just tuck the lines inside here and got it all wired to here. This is what controls it, this one here. So you see that it's off. Press it to turn it on, and it cycles through the colors just to check it so you know it's working. You also get this piece with it, if you can find it, right here. And this is the controller. So this turns it off, on. This changes the lights to different stuff. And then this one, I think this goes into music mode, or so they say. So it also comes with an app, guys. All right, so this is the app. So as you see, when I talk here, it lights up, da da da, pop 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 pop, and you can toggle the sensitivity. Don't really see what that does. You can change the color. Music mode, which is that, it's really cool. You can do different scenes, you can do your DIY color. You go back to here, red, green, or teal, depending where you are, purple, blue, green. It's a really nice app for it. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. My next video, I'm trying to get that out to you guys real soon. As you can see, that's a quick teaser. My door is now in black. Right here, I'm going to explain what happened here in the video. And once again, I think I may have screwed you guys over. I wrapped my dashboard and I did it in a suede, fox suede, or fake suede. And it came out really nice. And no, I did not take my dashboard out. I started doing a video, then I realized I couldn't really do a vlog. I couldn't really video it how I wanted it, but so I'm sorry about that. But anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Just stay tuned, more things coming to the channel real soon. I got my exhaust custom setup that I'm going to be doing as well, and I just want to thank you guys for sticking with me. Have a good one, and remember, like, comment, share, subscribe.